Picture this. It's a crazy hot afternoon in Bangalore. The sun is beating down like it's angry at the world. Honk! Honk! Traffic everywhere, bikes zipping, autos honking, people yelling. And in the middle of it all, there's this guy named Raj. He's 22, just like you or your bestie, fresh out of college, scrolling Insta for job memes while dreaming big. But today? Oh no! He's late for the biggest interview of his life. Yaar, why me? He mutters, sweat dripping down his face. His phone? Battery at 5%. Wallet? Almost empty. And the auto driver just ditched him because of some silly argument over 10 rupees. Boom! Stuck. Totally stuck. What would you do? Panic. Cry. Raj felt like screaming, but guess what? That's when the magic started. Not like in Bollywood movies with songs and dances, no, this was real, sneaky magic. An old rickshaw pulls up. Not an auto rickshaw, but one of those cycle ones, you know, the kind your grandpa talks about from old Delhi streets. The driver? An old uncle with a white beard, twinkling eyes, wearing a faded kurta. Beta, hop in, he says with a warm smile. Where to? Raj thinks, this is weird. Cycle rickshaw in Bangalore traffic. But okay, desperate times. He jumps in, tells the address, and off they go. Whoa, hold on. The rickshaw starts moving super smooth. No bumps, no stops. It's like gliding through the chaos. Cars part ways, signals turn green just for them. Raj's eyes widen. Uncle, how are you doing this? The old man chuckles, life's a ride, beta. Sometimes you pedal hard, sometimes the wind helps. Raj laughs nervously. He's thinking about his life, parents back in the village pushing him to get a stable job, friends posting fancy trips on TikTok, and his crush, Ria, who he hasn't texted in days because he's too broke and stressed. Gen Z problems, right? Feeling lost in this big city world. As they zoom on a cycle. The uncle starts chatting. Tell me your story, young man. Raj opens up. Uncle, I studied engineering, but I hate it. I want to make music, you know, like those YouTube rappers. But family says, beta, music won't pay bills. And this interview? It's for some boring IT job. The uncle nods slowly, his voice soft like a lullaby. Ah, the heart versus the world. I know that fight. Pause. The rickshaw turns into a quiet lane, away from the noise. Trees whisper, birds chirp. Raj feels calm for the first time in months. Suddenly, twist. The uncle stops at a small tea stall. Chai break, he says. But this isn't any stall, it's hidden, with fairy lights, wait, fairy lights in daytime. Weird, and smells of masala chai and fresh samosas. They sit, and uncle shares his tale. I was like you once, Raj. From a small town in Rajasthan. Dreamed of being a painter. But family said no. Married young, got a shop job. Safe life. His eyes get misty. But one day, I found this rickshaw. It was special, passed down from my grandfather. It doesn't just take you places, it shows you paths you forgot. Raj sips his chai, burning his tongue a bit. Out! What do you mean, shows paths? Uncle grins. Finish your tea and see. Back in the rickshaw, things get wild. The world blurs. Whoosh! They're not in Bangalore anymore. Wait, what? Now it's a village festival, Diwali vibes. Lights, crackers, people dancing to Bollywood beats. Raj sees a kid version of himself, laughing with his cousins, no worries. Remember this joy? Uncle asks. Raj's heart aches. Yeah, before exams and pressure took it away. Next stop. Fast forward. A busy Mumbai street. Raj spots a young man. Wait, it's him in the future? Struggling musician, performing on the streets. Crowd cheers. But he's alone, hungry. This is one path, Uncle says. Chase dreams blind, and it hurts. Raj gasps. Oh no! Is that me? Uncle shakes his head. Maybe. Or. Swish. Another scene. Raj in a fancy office, IT job, married to Priya, but his eyes look empty. No music, no spark. Safe but soulless, Uncle whispers. Raj's mind races. Uncle, this rickshaw, is it magic? Like in those Harry Potter stories? Harry Potter is this wizard boy, fights evil with friends. Uncle laughs heartily. Ha ha! Magic. Call it what you want. It's life's mirror. Shows what could be. They pedal on, wind in their hair. Now, a funny moment, the rickshaw hits a pothole, even magic has bumps, and Raj almost falls out. Whoa! They both crack up. See? Life's not perfect, Uncle says between laughs. Deeper into the ride, emotions hit hard. They stop at a quiet park. Sunset colors, orange, pink, like a mango shake. Uncle gets serious. Beta, I lost my son young. He chased money, ignored family. Died stressed. That's why I ride this rickshaw, to help lost souls like you find balance. Tears well up in Raj's eyes. He thinks of his mom calling every day, Beta, eat well. His dad sacrificing for his education. And Priya? She texted him last week, miss our late night talks. Raj feels a pang. I ignore the people who matter. Pause for drama, the sun dips low. Crickets chirp. Uncle pats his back. Mix your dreams with love, Raj. Music. Do it part-time. Job. Take it, but don't let it kill your soul. Like in Bollywood, hero wins love and fight both. Raj nods, feeling lighter. But how? Uncle smiles mysteriously. The rickshaw knows. Twist time. They head back. But on the way, a storm hits. Rain pours, pitter-patter, thunder boom. Rickshaw shakes. Raj panics. Uncle, We're stuck. But uncle pedals harder. Fight through, beta. Lightning flashes, and Raj sees visions, him recording songs after work, family proud, proposing to Priya under fairy lights. Yes, he shouts. Finally, they reach the interview spot. Dry as a bone, even after rain. Time? Just on time. Raj jumps out, thanks uncle. Who are you really? Uncle winks. Just a storyteller on wheels. Go, make your story. Poof! Rickshaw vanishes into the crowd. Was it real? Raj checks his phone, fully charged. And a new message from Priya. Good luck. Believe in you. Inside the interview, Raj shines. He talks about balance, tech and creativity. Gets the job. But wait, he decides, weekends for music. Calls mom, plans a visit. Texts Priya, let's meet. Got a story to tell. Months later, Raj's life blooms. His first song goes viral on Insta Reels about chasing dreams with heart. Family cheers at Diwali. Priya, his girlfriend now, dancing to his beats. And that's the end, my friend. The magic rickshaw? Maybe it's inside all of us, that voice saying, balance dreams and love. Wow, can you feel that? Heartful, right?